We're now at this place called Coopernook. We're driving from Sydney to Brisbane, and this is a very old town. Last night we parked here for the night and we had a couple of beers. This is where we parked last night, behind the Coopernook Hotel. Have you seen dry washing in a campervan? No water, no soap. I don't use water or soap. I just wipe after cooking. I just use wet wipes because my indicator shows that I left 2 bars of water. This is the 2 bar. Last night we used up 2 bar, so I'm going to conserve the water now. So better not use so much water.